In this video, I'll show you how to log into your ChatGPT account, the right way to sign in, and what to do if the login page is not letting you in. First, go to the ChatGPT login page. OpenAI's Help Center says you can sign in from the ChatGPT homepage or directly through the ChatGPT login page. OpenAI also notes that ChatGPT can now be accessed before creating an account, but if you want your saved chats, settings, and account features, you need to log in to your own account. Once you're on the login page, click Login. Then enter the same method you originally used when you created your account. This part is very important. If you signed up with Google, Apple, or Microsoft, OpenAI says you need to keep using that same sign-in method. If you created your account with an email and password, then log in with that email and password instead. OpenAI's authentication troubleshooting page says login errors often happen when people try using a password even though they originally signed up with a social login. If you signed up with email and password but forgot the password, OpenAI says you can reset it from the login flow. Their password reset guide says to go to the ChatGPT homepage, click Login, enter your email address or phone number, choose Forgot Password, and then follow the reset email instructions. Now, if the site still won't let you in, OpenAI recommends a few simple fixes. Their login and error troubleshooting pages say to clear your browser, cache, and cookies. Try an incognito or private window, disable VPNs or browser extensions that might interfere, and try a different browser or network if needed. OpenAI also says that if you got a welcome email but not a verification email, logging in through the ChatGPT login page may prompt account activation. Another common issue is seeing a message like, "This user already exists." OpenAI says that usually means you started sign up before and should log in instead of trying to register again. So if that happens, go back to the login page and sign in with the method you originally used. And if you're using the mobile app, the same basic rule applies. Use the correct original sign-in method, update the app if necessary, and try logging out and back in if the app is acting strangely. OpenAI's network troubleshooting also recommends disabling your VPN on iOS if login problems continue. So the easiest way to log in to ChatGPT is simple. Go to the ChatGPT login page, click Login, use the same sign-in method you used when you created the account, and reset your password if needed. If it still doesn't work, clear your browser data, try private mode, disable VPNs, and switch browsers or networks. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.